Hi, I'm Anthony from Halo's Frozen Cocktails, and after being asked for the last 24 years, can we have a non-alcoholic beverage by my customers? The answer is now, yes you can. What we've done is we've produced a full range of mocktails. So all the products that you can see on our website, the whole range that is there for the original product is now available as a mocktail product as well. It comes in a different format though. So the original comes in a 5 litre container, it's all pre-done. This comes in a 2.5 litre container, and it's a concentrate. It's a 1-to-1 mix ratio. So this 2.5 litres actually makes up 5 litres of finished product. So we pour that in the machine, fill this with water to the fill line, pour that in the machine. It freezes and it serves. And it makes exactly the same quality product as the original Halos. When you drink it, the whole thing comes up. There's no separation, it's soft and smooth, it's not crunchy and granular, so it's not a kid slush puppy type product. It's a quality product. The products, the whole entire range actually of Halos is suitable for vegans and vegetarians. That's pretty much it. If that suits you, fantastic. The sales work in a similar way to the original product, so if you're doing if you have a single bowl machine, we need the single bowl machine to be doing 5 of those a month, or 5 of the original, or on a double bowl, 10 of those per month, or 10 of the original. That's it. Very simple, straightforward. If you'd like any more information, then please go on to the website, fill in the link, and we'll be in touch. Thank you.